In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change ruler units in Krita. This quick tweak makes a big difference when you need precise sizing for web graphics, prints, or any project where exact measurements matter. First, open Krita and load a canvas, either by creating a new document or opening an existing one. Once you're in the main canvas view, look along the top and left edges of your workspace. Those slim bars hugging the canvas are your rulers. They display tick marks and labels that show measurements across your document. If you're working on something that needs to be a specific size, those rulers are your best friends. Now all you need to do is click directly on the ruler. Clicking the ruler brings up a small menu that lets you switch the unit the ruler uses. You'll typically see options like pixels, inches, centimeters, millimeters, and sometimes points. Choose the unit that fits your project. If you're designing for screens like social posts, UI elements, or thumbnails, pixels are usually the most straightforward. If you're preparing artwork for print, inches or centimeters are much easier to work with because they relate directly to the physical size of the final piece. After you select a unit, you're done. You'll see the tick marks and numbers on the rulers update right away to reflect your choice. This change helps you judge distances at a glance and keep elements consistent as you draw, paint, or lay out text and shapes. It also makes reading size fields in the interface more intuitive because the visual rulers match the units you're thinking in. A quick tip for print-focused work. The ruler's conversion to inches or centimeters is based on your document's resolution, often called DPI or PI. For example, if your canvas is set to 300 DPI, 1 inch on the ruler equals 300 pixels on the canvas. Changing the ruler unit does not rescale your image. It simply changes how measurements are displayed, which is exactly what you want for planning and verification. Another handy reminder, zoom level affects how big things look on your screen, but it doesn't change the actual size of your artwork. Use the rulers and the unit setting to keep your dimensions accurate, regardless of how far in or out you're zoomed. That's all there is to it. Open Krita, click the ruler, pick your unit, and you're ready to work with confidence and precision.